Hello. Now I have a job, and it includes two methods of welding. I weld stainless steel. It's a water tank, and I use these two machines, TIG and MIG. I weld using the pulse, 145 amps, chrome nickel stainless, chrome nickel, and long welds I make using MIG welding, and short, or where I need more quality, for instance for pipes, I use TIG. Filler wire 2.4 millimeters, 3.2 millimeters tungsten, 100 argon, and here I use I use special gas. It's a mix gas, 2% of CO2 and argon, and 98% of argon. And I use this machine for news. So later on I'll make a longer video in which I'll explain why I make only after welds, why I don't make video while I'm welding. And thank you for watching.